Yo. I could literally start now if you guys want. Ladies and gentlemen, from the depth of the farthest country, let's welcome Weekly How. Yo. Hold on, let me just stop that. Hey guys, it has been a while. Hi! Hello, 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 hello! Welcome, welcome, welcome! Everyone, make some motherfucking noise for the one and only Weekly How. How is everybody doing right now? God damn it. I was looking for music that would make it, I don't know, would make my introduction much better, but I did not know what to choose. And if I change something, you guys would know, so kind of pointless. Anyway, let's start working, or let's just, talk first. How is everybody doing? I can see a lot of you guys are hanging out here. Actually, hold on, let me just put this one here so I can see what you guys are saying. Absolutely, absolutely. There you go. We are starting with a bang. How is everybody doing? Hold on, did I miss something? Are you guys already yapping? I can see a lot of you guys spamming. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Wow, from Marsh Gorilla. Thank you so much for €1. Shout out to you. Let me heart that. And like. There we go. From documentary show, I want cheese. Same. Hello, 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 hello. What are we making? We are going to create, once again, a project. Okay? Depending on the wheel that we're going to play later on. But first, I want to share with you guys something. If you guys have watched my previous video, I made a 3D editor, right? That allowed me to, build a game environment, which is pretty cool. Honestly, I said it in a video. You guys can literally make it into a startup or a business, just add Stripe, subscription, just add like authentications. And you'll be able to just promote it. Honestly, just learn how to market it. And there's a possibility you can make money out of it because it was actually really, really cool. Like, I've never seen anyone made something like that, So to those of you who can download that project itself, yeah, try improve it, and maybe you can make something out of it. Oh, another euro from Zex. Thank you, Zex VR, for €1. I can definitely buy a cheese with that. Thank you so much. Merci. What else do we have? AI make stream website. Oof. Guys, you guys can pause for now. Pause for a bit. I'm talking about requests or ideas, because we're going to create a spin, a wheel, or what do you call that again? Wheel of shame? No, wheel of fortune. I think I forgot the name. Whatever. So we're going to do that later. But first, I was talking about the previous video. I'm going to share with you guys the game that I was working on. I've been working on for the past couple of weeks, and it's finally ready to be demoed. And I'm gonna need you guys. I'm gonna need your help, because you guys can also play the same game. It's gonna be a multiplayer game. Okay? Now, I just wanna point out this. I hope my server could handle all you guys. I mean, right now we have 20 people. So probably my server could handle it, but who knows? Maybe it's not gonna be able to handle it and it's gonna crash. But anyway, here is the game. Okay, so here is weeklyhow.polydario.com, and all you need to do is go and visit games/cursor. And here is the game that I made. It's called Cursor Arena. It was inspired by one of the videos I saw on X, also known as Twitter. And I was inspired, I want to create something, but 3D. So here it is. So you guys can visit this website, weeklyhow, no, weeklyhow.polydario.com/games/cursor. You guys can sign in using your memberships. You can also sign in as a guest. That I can see someone already. Hold on. There's someone already there. Hey, 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 hey. Hold on, let me just reload. Yeah, I see people now. Oh, wow. Hey, guys. Say hi in the chat. Hey. Hey, someone already posted like what is that? Spam already. I need to make sure that you guys can't post links in there actually. Oh my god, it's already lagging. I don't think my server could handle this. No, oh, look, there's another me. Actually, maybe the reason why it's not working properly because I already have myself in here. So I'm gonna get rid of that. I'll get rid of this as well. Hold on. Give me a moment. Give me a sec. And let me just do that. There we go. I forgot about that fuck. It's lagging, holy shit. How's the network? Is it okay? Because right now I can see you guys, but it's super laggy. I don't think my server can handle this. Anyway, yeah, here's the game. Looks like I'm gonna need to moderate this properly. And I'm gonna need to fix the network as well because yeah, this is not it. At least I can see you guys. So that is nice. The thing is, this was made using 3JS. So no guys, this is not made using Unity. I wish it was, but no. I was working with 3JS. That's why my previous video was related to 3JS, right? Hold on. Let me just answer a couple of... Hey, okay, someone's being racist already over there. I'm gonna need to stop it. It's so laggy, I know. I'm gonna need to work on that again. I knew it. I kind of knew it. But what I wanted to do actually is just to record that part, you know. Maybe I can just use this. Hold on. Let me try it again. I'm gonna need to record this whole thing. Okay, so now I'm recording. I forgot to mention, I'm going to use this and literally put it in the video. So let me kill someone first. Someone killed me. Hey. Oh. Oh. Nope, not today, sir. Not today. Not today. Take this. Yes. My god, it's laggy. I keep killing Adam. Where's Adam? Hey! Hey, 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 hey! Fa! Oh my god, it's laggy. I can't hit anymore. Hold on, it's laggy. I'm lagging so much. How many players are there? Okay, I think this is good. I actually wanted to make you guys say hi. Say hi in the chat. Because I'm gonna put this in the in my next video. Say hi. Hey! But what do you guys think? You think it was good? Definitely need more work. Because the network is not capable of... You know... It's not capable of many people. So yeah. Definitely need more work. Let me just check the chat. Hi, Marsh. Stop killing me, Suka, man. Do you have to be a member to play the game? No, you can just visit weeklyhowpolidario.com/games cursor. But yeah, it's quite laggy. It's very laggy. There are so many people right now. To be fair, I'm using like a free server, so not really good. Actually, let me check. Railway, right? This one right here. This is the server that I'm using. How is the network? A lot of like... Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think it's capable of handling all of this. I mean, it should. Honestly, I have no idea how many guys are in there. So... probably 20 or something. How many are we now? Can anyone check? 27. Hi, 27 people. Welcome, welcome. Oh my god, let me just reload. I think you need to reload every single time. That's me, what the hell? There's two of me. What if I kill myself? I can kill myself, what the hell? There's another one of me! That fight is never gonna get old. Much better. I think the less people, the better. The less people, the better. Where are you guys? That guy would probably... Hey, hey, hey! That's actually really fun, not gonna lie. It's so fun when you play with someone. I've been like building this for weeks and it's so boring when it's just all by myself. But it's so fun when it's you guys, with you guys. And now it's no longer working. I ran out of bullets. Next time, I'm gonna put like how many online, how many players are online, so that I can see, or I can monitor, you know, the performance. Because right now, I feel like the more players, the more laggy it becomes. Alright, this should be it. This should be good. You guys can still play it, but I'm gonna stop that. So now we can move on to what we're going to do today. I just wanted to film just a tiny bit of footage because I'm going to use that for my next video. So you guys can see yourself. Even just a tiny bit. What do you guys think? Was it fun? I actually had a good time. I might actually work on that for months and improve it. If you guys really enjoyed it, I would love to work on it again. Hold on, let me check the chat. How is everybody doing? I can't really check everything all at once. The problem is I have another one here. That's why I can see myself multiple times. That makes so much sense. I didn't realize that. No, it was not just for the members only. You can actually join as a guest. Just go to weekly how... Yeah, there you go. Like, my mod already posted the link. Do you have to be a member to play the game? Like I said, no, you don't have to. You can always just visit the link and you can walk around there. But again, I'm gonna need to fix that game because right now it's very laggy. Yeah, it was very laggy. Bernard, what do you think about 6-7? 6-7, it's a great number. Amazing number. I love it. Love the game. Oh, sorry. I spoiled you guys. This is how I designed the game, actually. I'm not gonna put more context. You guys need to see the video. It's my other stuff here. All right. Are you guys ready for the main content? Are you guys ready? Wheel of Names. Here we go. Oh, no, I didn't mean... What? How can I delete this? No. That's not what I was trying to do. There we go. Guys! How is everybody doing? We can now proceed to our main content. I finally had what I was looking for. Thanks, Marsh. I will call you Marsh. Marsh Gorilla. I am making my own programming language with ChatGPT. It is called Y, like C, but why? Why? Why would you do that? Weekly Git would be tough. That's literally what we did last week. Last week? Yeah, last week. No. Last time we did a live stream. The second day, the day 2. And it was actually pretty cool because it worked. We created a clone of GitHub and the git commands literally worked. We were able to pull, push, commit. It was good. It was working. You check out the previous live stream and you'll see what I mean. Hey Drum, gup gup. Hi. A Scratch alternative for building Windows apps. A Scratch alternative. Ah, you mean the you're talking about the programming language or the tool that lets you, you know, build something using drag and drop blocks. Yeah. I've actually never used it, not even once. What if Zone Official 9K Kiss Kit? Nice. Can I get a shout out? Portis? Hey Portis. Massive shout out to Portis for welcome. Thank you for joining. Bobcat, thank you for joining. Remake Codex. Oof, that's a big one. You know what? Let's start listing. Let's start listing. What are we building? Remake Codex. That's a big one. I don't even know. What do you mean, CLI? I guess you were talking about CLI, right? Not the IDE itself, because we literally did an IDE like multiple times already, so it's kind of boring if we did the same thing. I literally have part 2, so there's no point of doing the same thing. Yo, can you try my AI, brother? No, I cannot. I am sorry. A Scratch alternative, yes. Scratch? From scratch? To scratch. Visual Studio Copy. Again, we did it already. We already have 2 videos making IDE, so I'm not gonna do the same thing again. No, don't apologize. It's okay. Marsh Gorilla, it's okay. I create my own AI using Dipsy. Okay. I am making my own again. Same thing. Hold on. Am I missing something? NX Choi, brother. Hey, welcome, welcome. Boat Coder AI, welcome. Hi. From Horror Stories. Please make NVIDIA now like platform with Kiss. Thanks for that. NVIDIA. What are you talking about? I'm gonna need more context. Like, you meant GPU? how do we even do that? NVIDIA. I'm guessing you're talking about the model. That's gonna be tough. I don't know. Try remaking Claude Code, remake Codex CLI, or Claude Code, I guess. What if Zone Official, you are the best? Thank you so much. That is very nice. Canal do Axiola. I love you. I love you too. Thanks, man. Zillard. Palnaja. I am so sorry. I'm butchering your names, guys. I'm finally here. Almost thought I was late. No, you're not. You're just in time. We played a bit just to showcase my project, but you didn't have to see that. You didn't have to see that. Make a game sharing platform like Steam? Steam clone. A Scratch alternative for building. I literally put it here. A Scratch from scratch to scratch. You are the best. Thanks, man. Linux distro. Oh. Yeah, sure. From scratch? No, that's not a scratch. That's literally just a distro. So yeah, I'm just gonna say distro. That's fine. What else do we have? Antivirus. Okay, but that's gonna be tough to test. I'm gonna need to set up a virtual machine and then install the antivirus there and then download viruses. I'm not gonna do it here. I'm gonna have to set up a different machine just to do that, so I'm not gonna put it here, unfortunately. Create a large language model like Chat LGP. Now we're talking. Again? I'm looking for something unique, like, you know, something that we haven't done before. Hold on. Keep chatting, guys, because I'm reading all of them. Trust me, brother. Build an ad blocker. An ad blocker. How do we test it? That's the thing. Because in order to test it, we're gonna need to set up developer accounts, right? We're gonna need to, I don't even know how to put it in a browser. Like, I haven't made any extension, so that's the thing. So that could take hours to build, and I don't want to spend a lot of time. Sure, but sure, I guess. Ad blocker extension? Yeah, that's gonna be tough to test. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's easy. I don't know. But I guess I'll just put it there. Make something like OpenClaw. Another AI. We already have something like that, so because the thing is, we can honestly do your ideas, but I'm thinking of the time. That could take like a day or two, you know, those projects. And obviously I'm not gonna be able to stay that long. So I don't wanna start something and end up stopping. You know what I mean? And you guys are not gonna be satisfied. So yeah. I'd love to just make those in a video itself. Like it's dedicated video, you know? That could work because I could literally take my time. What is now? Nvidia now is a streaming platform where you rent a powerful machine. Ah, is that what we're talking about? I didn't know. Nvidia streaming platform? Okay. A Discord copy. Okay, that can work. Discord copy. What else? Game engine that uses AI to create games. Literally what I did last time, but with no AI though. So okay, game engine with AI. That could work. Recreate a Roblox executor. It's a good idea, not gonna lie. Problem is, I don't know what you're talking about. A Minecraft mod. I don't have Minecraft. That's the thing. I have Minecraft on my laptop, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to like put it here. There are so many ideas, guys. What else do we have? Um, I'm afraid I'm skipping a lot. Hold on. YouTube clone. We did it already in a previous video, previous live stream. Oh, it sucked. So we're not gonna do it again. Make your own reverse engine binary. Okay, that looks super complicated. Custom encryption algorithm. YouTube clone. Self-improving AI. Self-improving AI. Literally agentic, right? Again, that can take like days. Something that we can work in a couple of hours, you know? AI makes own shell terminal command. Okay, that's possible. That's literally CLI. But what kind of CLI? That's like one prompt and you'll be able to get something like that. It's pretty easy. But the idea or the use case, what is it? What problem does it solve? A Fortnite clone in C++. Okay. How do you spell it? Fortnite clone game? Roblox game? Everything is a game now. Because that's literally the easiest set of projects that we can do. Everything that you guys have in mind is like that could take like days, hours. That's the problem. Blender clone. There you go. Now we're talking. Hold on. Keep talking, keep talking. Game sharing platform, it's already here. Steam. Bro, please create AI PPT slides generator. PowerPoint. PowerPoint generator? Okay. YouTube clone again. We already did it in the previous live stream. Not gonna repeat it again. I guess you want me to put music because it sounds super boring. Something. How do you guys feel? What kind of emotions are you guys feeling right now? Funny. Okay. All right, let's proceed. Bro, why are you ignoring? I'm not ignoring. There's literally hundreds of messages. Guys, chill. Jeez. You're not the only person in here. Do a clone of a GitHub repo. You can literally just do git clone HTTPS something. And done. Live stream over. What do you mean? Drag and drop game making platform. Drag and drop. What do you mean? Drag and drop like zip file and then just let it do its own thing? Or you meant like orthograph, like tower defense, you know? You have a tower, just put it. Actually, I'm not gonna speak. I have an idea. I'll work on that in the future. But you just gave me an idea, so thank you for that. What else? Lovable clone. Okay. That's actually good. Google Maps clone. Google Maps. Where do we get the data? That's the thing. Where do we get the data? Create an AI. Jesus Christ, what kind of music is this? Okay, there we go. a messaging network. We already have Discord. We have Discord already. Somewhere here, right? Did I put it? Yeah, here. Discord. Video editor clone app. We already have a video on that. So I'm not going to do the same thing. What else? SMPT clone? I guess we're talking about like live streaming, right? Instagram clone? Okay, Instagram clone, but just to make it interesting, we're gonna install it on a phone. But Android with like SDK. There we go. Android. Let's do TikTok as well, just in case. But Android. Let's do Facebook. Let's do all the apps. Bake Minecraft. I'm working on a specific video on that. Don't worry. From I am bro, big fan, bro. Watching your videos regularly from 4 to 5 months. Thank you so much for thank you for supporting the channel. I can't speak anymore. Create a streaming website using vidsrc API. Again, that's kind of like YouTube, which we did already, and I'm not looking forward to do the same like mistake. Like, it was not a good output or result, so kind of disappointing. Your own AI glasses. Okay. Spin. Okay. Are we ready? Do you guys have more ideas? Because I feel like you guys are running out of ideas already. Create an AI that develops itself. Again, I guess we already have something here. Like open clone. Even I guess open clone. But don't blame me if it's not good, okay? Because I am pretty sure 100%. Okay, let's say 90% that this is not gonna work. And you guys are just gonna wait here. Literally. A fantasy RPG or... Okay, that's another game. Make a modern UI library for Windows. That's actually a good idea. An NPM package. Like UI stuff, right? Like UI components. And then we can just publish it. That could be an interesting project, right? Hold on, let me just turn on my lights. It's getting dark now. You can still see me? It's still okay, I think. Aïe aïe aïe. Excusez-moi. Voilà. Allez-y. Ça va? Too bright. Hold on. What about now? Okay, that's much better. A Word clone? You meant like a Microsoft Word? That's kind of boring. You know that... It's in the tip of my tongue. It's like you know that game? It's like you guess the letter and you have like 5 tries. What do you call it? I forgot what it's called. You guys are literally just saying the same thing. N8 Ed, I know. Wordle, thank you. That's what I'm looking for. There you go. Wordle. I just want to put it in there. Because I don't think I have done something like that. So it could be interesting. Something fun. I guess we're good. There's so many things in here now, so we should be okay. Make a Linux desktop environment. We already have Linux here, Linux distro. So GeoGet. Okay. It's like the Google Maps clone, but it's a game, so could be interesting. These two could work together. Is this okay? I think we had enough. I think we had enough. Alright, I'm gonna spin. Guys, say spin and I'll spin. Are we guys ready? Spam hearts or spam in the chat. Spin, 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 and I will spin. There we go. Are we ready? Are we guys ready? Give it up to this sound effect. Okay? Are we ready? I'm going to spin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No way. No way. No way. No, we actually got NPM package. Okay, let's go. Yeah, actually, I'm happy with that. And then we can publish it. And you guys can install it. Okay? That's what we're going to do today. That is wild. I did not expect that. I was actually looking forward to what kind of project I was looking forward to make. I wanted to do Blender clone. I wanted to do the Wordle, definitely. I wanted to do Instagram and TikTok, but Android. I wanted to see it on my phone. I was looking forward to that, but you know what? It's okay. Oh, wow, you guys are not happy with that? Are you serious? An NPM package, like we can NPM install, and you know, at the end of the day, it gets vulnerabilities, and you get famous on Twitter because there's a vulnerability, and a lot of people start complaining, and you leak data, and now you got hacked and shit. This is a good project. This could be a big thing and could affect millions of businesses. You know? Yeah, okay, you guys are not happy. You guys are literally not happy. Okay, fine. Jeez. Okay, I'll get rid of this. Last one, okay? Promise that you guys are not gonna make me re-roll it again. Okay? We should vote instead of spinning. Shout out to Lita. Hey. Now, what's the fun in that? If you guys just can vote, right? What's the fun in that? Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about. Everyone would just pick what they were like requesting. So it's not gonna be fun. Okay, fine, I'll reroll. There's someone said OBS type app, but better with AI. I was thinking of like OBS video recorder, but better. You know that I could actually use this myself. That follows mouse and adds like zoom or something. Yeah, that could be a thing. That's the last one. Okay, okay. I'm doing this now. 5, 4, 3, 2. Is my sound effect not working? Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I actually got it. Yes. 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 Now we're talking. Now we're talking. There we go. Finally. You know what? We can improve this. We can make this into like multiplayer. You know? Like 2 versus, 1 versus 1. Have you guys seen that Minecraft short? There's like 2 players, right? And there's like someone watching, and there's like, is this lava? No, that's not lava. And then they go down. Something like that. There's like 2 players. That'll be cool. Okay, that's what we're going to do. The next one would be, what's the name of the project? As always. You know what? Let's not waste more time. I feel like we've been sitting here for like hours. Okay, good evening. Good evening. Let's let's do hold on. Build me a what's the problem? Slate. It's like, no, don't do that project. Do the one I was requesting. That's not fair. That is literally not fair. I literally let you guys do the spin again because I know you guys are complaining. But that is not fair. If I keep spinning this again until you guys seen what you are looking for, you guys are just selfish at this point. We're done. This is it. This is it. Build me a prompt to make a clone game similar to Wordle. But, big but it's multiplayer. Like 2 players, you know? Online. 2 online players. So there's gonna be matchmaking. Matchmaking? Should we do that? Or maybe we should just, join using password. Like make a room and then you guys can join. Okay, yeah, I think we can use like UPnP. Okay. 2 online players, so use, I don't know, UPnP. Shout out to Quick Fixed for that. for multiplayer. And Mosh, what are you talking about? Add browser, please. We already did a browser video. I don't know what you're looking for. Okay, the name. Yeah. Build me a prompt to make a clone game similar to Wordle. And the game name is... What is that? Guess War. Guess word? Like that. And then... Yeah, WebSocket. I was using WebSocket for the game I was, the one we played earlier. And it turned out not so good. Maybe it's... You know what? It's good if it's just gonna be 2 players. But the more players, the laggy it is, so... Maybe we should just let Claude decide, Yeah, I was thinking just using port forwarding or something. I'm just gonna ask Claude. Think of the best way to handle multiplayer. Make it HTTPS. Obviously, it's gonna be HTTPS. That's obvious now. Not 2, please. 30 players. No, I meant... That's a mess, if you think about it. Wordle game, and then 30 players playing the same word? That's ridiculous. Yeah, I think this is good. Think of the best way to handle multiplayer. Like, for example... WebSocket, or UPnP. Help me decide. Okay, should be okay. Should be okay. Hey. All right. All right, so here is the multiplayer architecture decision. For a browser-based artifact, no external server, here's the honest trade-off. WebSocket, true real-time, that's a pro. Needs a server you control. My recommendation, shared artifact storage plus polling. Wordle is a turn-based, not a Twitch game. What is that supposed to mean? 1 second polling latency is completely invisible to players. The artifact already has a built-in shared key value store. No API keys, no external services, works instantly for 2 players anywhere. Okay. Player 1 creates a room, shared storage, okay. Nice. Player 2 joins. Both poll every 1 second. Okay. Okay, this could work. Okay, so shared state. Why not WebSocket? Needs a persistent server. I could make a server. Not a big deal. I have like Railway. Right? Make the game in C++. That's a bit overkill, executor. I think that's too much. Add a Claude AI helper to the Wordle. Why? Why would you do that? Is there any like... No, hold on. Hey, your use. We have to roll the name. What for? We already decide, like, guess word. I don't think... Should we spend another 20 minutes just for the name? I don't think it's fun. Should we? UPnP is port forwarding automated only for one player without server. But how do you guys can join? That's the thing. I wanted you guys to join. So we're gonna need a server. Unless I can just run node server and literally just expose my server, right? That could work temporarily. No WebSockets, no WebRTC, no Firebase. All sync happens through shared key value storage. Okay, let me just ask. I want my YouTube viewers to be able to join. They're not in the same room as me. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna need to set up a railway server. Does it? Okay, so shared storage apparently works. Okay, how do you want viewers to compete? 1 versus 1, you versus 1 viewer at a time. Viewer queue, okay. Free for all. Many viewers race simultaneously. Streamer, host, viewers all compete against each other. Viewers versus streamer as a team, no. Yeah, let's do 1 by 1. Use Supabase. I don't think it's necessary. I don't think I need to save data. It's literally just a word, so I just need like an array of words. And I just need a server so that we can create a room and you guys can join. I can create a room and then you guys can join, and then the game literally picks a word from that array of words. That's it. Pretty straightforward. I don't need to like use like heavyweight server, just a simple one. Okay, it should be okay. Build a multiplayer Wordle-like game called Guess Word as a React artifact. Okay, that's fine. It is designed for a live streamer host to play 1 versus 1 against YouTube viewers 1 at a time, with a visible queue of viewers waiting their turn. Sounds fun. Multiplayer architecture. Use window the storage shared true for all game state with 1 second polling loop. Okay, pretty straightforward. Any 2 people anywhere in the world using the same artifact URL share the same storage. Okay. Streamer, host, creates the lobby, picks the word. Picks the word each round? What do you mean? Do I pick the word? The 1 viewer currently playing against the streamer. I don't think this doesn't make sense. Maybe what I'm saying is not true. Okay, storage schema. Okay, we have a schema here. Okay, looks okay. Okay. Okay, the object looks okay to me. Player ID, player name. We don't need a name, but sure. Okay, that's fine. Start stream session button. Shown only to streamer. Enter your display name. Sure. Generates a short 5-character lobby code, okay. Shows a large overlay ready. Guess word, join, blue, Twitch. Huh? Designed to be captured. No. No. Hold on. I don't think it understood what I'm trying to say. I don't think it understood what I was trying to say. The streamer is not important. I was just describing my situation right now. All I want is to play with others in other parts of the world, 1v1 them, and then voila. Use Claude AI for words, please. At this point, I feel like we're just wasting tokens. Like, sure, we can use AI, but what for? Like, if you're gonna request something, make it make sense, you know? Like, we can ask it to, sure, generate a word, but we can literally just create a bunch of words inside of an array, and that's it. We don't need to pull a word from AI, and it's not really reliable. That's the problem. So it doesn't make sense. Okay. Got it. Keeping it simple. Here's a clean prompt. Build a 1v1 multiplayer Wordle called, okay, blah 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 blah. Good. 2 buttons, create a game, join game. That's what I'm talking about. As for a display name, picks a random word. Okay. I don't need to pick a word. The game should pick the word. I don't have to pick the word because I have to guess it too against the other player. Why you don't understand that? Jesus. Your mouse is still big. It is. Actually, I don't notice it anymore. Like, yeah, it's big. I just like it. I like when it's big. Pause. Anyway, leaderboard makes game addictive. We can add that later, okay? We can always add that later. Okay, good catch. If you create the room and pick the word, you'd already know that. Exactly, you dumb ass. You're pissing me off. Jesus. Anyway, let me just create the project. Okay. Create a new folder. Let's call this guess/word. And then open it in Cursor. There we go. Change the music because it's starting to get on my nerve. This reminds me of that Google video. That's actually remind me of something. Anyway. For Claude to understand or any AI, you need to give really much instructions. I know, but we are that lazy, you know. Make it 1% that Jesus. Chill. When is the video coming? Because I gotta go. The video is coming next week. I just published the video like literally 2 days ago. So I'm still editing, okay? So relax. Yeah. You know what? Videos gets published around Saturday for the members, and then weekend Sunday for the regular viewers. That's my schedule right now. Anyway, let's head back to Claude and copy this, and then go back here and paste it here. And I gotta change things because we have a new section here, which is the create a game, right? So we just need to replace this one with this one. Okay. There you go. There we go. Are we guys ready? Dog.text. Thanks for joining. I'll see you next time. Take care. Okay, let's do this. Let's go with GPT 5.5. There's actually new Composer 2.5. I haven't used it. Should I use it? Should I use it? What do you guys think? Should I use the new Composer? Yes or no? My head is itchy. Fa. I don't have like a soundboard. Like I want to do the fa. There we go. Okay. Use it. It's better than Opus 4.7. Okay, then we gotta go with that then. Composer 2.5, here we go. I almost spoiled myself with those words. So let's just let's send that. Here we go, guys. This is the project that we are going to build. Will it work? Will it actually work? Will we be able to play together and guess a word? I guess we'll find out in 20 minutes. It usually takes like 20 minutes or so. Depends. Why is it looking artifact that land? What the hell is that? Artifact that land? What was that? What is this? Why was it searching there? You guys seen it, right? In Claude, create an artifact. Okay. Stinging using YouTube for usernames. I don't get it. You meant like authentication? I don't think we need authentication. That's gonna make it, you know, privacy policy and stuff. I know we can always do that later. If it turns out really good, then sure. But right now, we just want to see if we can actually play, you know, together. That's the goal. Is it done? It's actually done. It took like what? 3 minutes? 2 minutes? Holy. Okay. All right. That's literally just a single. Just a single. How do you even run this? Ah, it's a React artifact. Dumbass. Okay, how do we run this? Oh boy. Uh yes. Just give me the HTML. Bot Coder AI. I am level 2 member and I can't download anything. It's the right account, but it says access denied, no memberships. Okay. Let me just see why. Because I need to synchronize my database to YouTube. Because right now I still don't have their API. That's the problem. So let me just let you in. Which, by the way, thanks for joining. Thanks for becoming a member. So now let me just go to my admin, and then do this. There we go. I literally developed this, and then I upload a CSV that I downloaded here on YouTube. So I download this, and then I upload it here. And it synchronized everything. Instead of me going to Supabase and then, you know, do everything manually. But now I have this, which is really cool. It's much faster. And maybe later on I can use like OpenClaw to, you know, automate it. So when someone joins, become a member, then OpenClaw can literally just do it on its own instead of me doing it. Could be a good idea. Big brain move. Okay, so anyway, here it is. npx, yeah, we can do that. Let's copy this and then run it. Here we go. And let me just open this. Ooh. All right. Here's the game. My mom does not like fa, please. Yo. Sorry. I accidentally pressed buttons. Okay, here is the game. Are you guys ready? We can try this. Bro, Gemini 3.5 Flash launched right now? No way. No way. They did not. No way. They actually did. When is the last time they released a model? I felt like it was like a year ago. Felt long. GPT released every what, 2 months? Claude released every 2 months? Okay, so now we have Gemini 3.5. Question is, did Cursor update and add this? Holy shit, that is expensive. What the hell? What the hell? Well, we're gonna try that. We're gonna try that for sure. We're gonna try that. I wanna see what kind of UI it's gonna make. Okay? We're gonna try that later on. Okay, so for now, I wanna see this. I wanna see what we made. Can we do that? Can we just relax for a minute? And then we'll try Gemini 3.5 live. I'm gonna create a game. Weekly How, of course. Okay, guys. How do you join me? That's the problem. I need to push this somewhere. Hold on. I guess I'm gonna need to use like Ngrok, right? Ngrok HTTP, was it 3000? Yep, 3000. I don't have Ngrok. I don't have Ngrok. Why don't I have Ngrok? That is ridiculous. Hold on, let me just download it. I'm pretty sure I have an account already. What am I doing? Yes. Give me a second. I'm signing in. Come on, dude. Don't tell me I forgot my password. Yes. Okay. Let me just download this. Oh, you gotta be serious. You can't. I have Scoop, right? Yes, I have. Shit. CLS. Scoop. Install Ngrok. Yeah. Use Vercel. And then we're gonna need to keep pushing, right? Deploying. No, we can just use Ngrok. What? The file cannot be read. Operation did not complete successfully because the file contains... Okay. Sudo. Ah, you gotta be shitting me. Can you not do that? Can I just disable this for a minute? Please. Can I just disable it for a minute? Hold on. I can't download it. Holy shit. Okay, fine. Jesus. Yeah. So now I just need to go through Microsoft Store just to install it. This is insane. Okay, and then now I need to do this. I need my terminal. Okay, I think we should be good. Should be good. Okay, so now need to do ngrok. Now I need to go to cd e and then cd web dev and then cd guessword and then ngrok http 3000. Yes. Okay, so here's the URL. And I'll just post it here. All right. Okay. Can you guys take a look? All right, I'm seeing a bunch of you guys opening it, so that's cool. Okay, I'm going to create a game. Let's call it Weekly Hell. Okay. And then you just need to type the code. VSYT. Will it actually work? That is insane. Yep, I did create a room. The code is VSYT. I don't think it's working. Yeah, I'm seeing 304 here. What if I do this? Hold on. What if I do this like that, right? And then join. And then weekly how. And then I do VSYT. Join. It works. It works, actually. Really? Can you guys create a room? Ugh. Can you guys create a room? And then I'll join. I'll try to join. Give me a code. Yeah, looks like it's only going to work on the same IP, right? Yeah, I think it's just local. So I need to push it somewhere. Okay, so let me try your code. So Z4XS. Yeah, it's not found. Okay, well, we're going to ask. Okay, so I created a room, but people, other players can't join because they are not in the same network. I tried using ngrok, but it's not working either. So I think, yeah, I think that's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's not working right now, so we need to fix it first. Yeah, it's using local storage. That's not really gonna work. It's not like I'm sharing it. There you go. Now it's a node project. And now I'm creating a server. Yeah, this is gonna use a WebSocket, right? It's running something here. What is that? Okay, let's just wait. No, we need to create a server. That's the thing. It's only running locally, so it's not gonna work. That's what I was saying earlier. I thought it's gonna work. I was hoping. I should have known. Yo, Executor, chill, bro. Could be funny, but that's quite insensitive. Chill. You can use your PC as a server. Yeah, I can. I just need to like forward it. Okay, so now it's working. Okay. Okay. A small shared storage server. Okay, so now it should be running here. Okay, so here's the server. And now I need to do as well ngrok http 3456. Okay. And then this one npm start. Oof. Oh no, I was doing it already. Oh no, it's already here. That's dumbass. Okay. So this one is good. I'm already running the ngrok server. Which port is it? I want to see the port. Okay, 3456. That's good. And now we just need to open it, I guess. Okay. Now I just need to share it here. Okay? I'm going to create a room. Here's my name. Okay, here's my code. JY5P. Let me try another room. And then I'll join. It worked? Oh, it worked! Yes! Hell yeah! Okay. What is the word? A, E, O, U. Oh, okay. Shish. Hmm. Below? Oh, okay. Okay. Um should be here. Doesn't make sense though. Bowl? 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 Lair. Lemon. Lemon. Yeah! Let's fucking yeah. Another one? Damn. A E O U. Come on. Okay, so there is no other vowels. Chill. Okay, I'm not. I should not use double letters. Child. Okay. Um. Are you not? Are you not seeing the chat? You should be in the chat as well. You know what? That's actually a good idea to have like a chat here, and then I'll just share my chat URL and just embed it. That would be cool. I don't think you should be able to see what the opponent has tested. No, I don't. Oh, I'm actually playing with Executor. But he's using something. Um, he can't see what I'm doing. That's the thing. I see him, but I don't know the letters. Which is fine. Um, friend? There's no, there's no E. Risk. Okay, there's R. Oh, I forgot the L. I forgot the L. L- Did he get it? No, not yet. Almost there. Um, Ro, ro, rails, rail. No, no, no. The L is wrong. It should be at the end. That's what I'm saying. Oh, what are the chances there's like two I's? The R is here, so you should be like that, right? Should be something like this. So what word is this? The A is not here. So there's no way the A is somewhere here. There's no F. There's no F. There's no O either. Okay, this is tough. This is tough. Right. Real. Real. L something. Ryan? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, true, true, true. The I could be here. Hold on. X X X I R. Ah! I didn't even look at it. Yeah. I'm so good at this. What the hell? I don't even play Wordle, to be honest. That's a fact. And now I got the word twice. That is crazy. Who's next? Who is next? Wanna fight me, huh? This is insane. Who wanna do the same? Who wanna battle me? Okay, here's my code. And then after this, we're going to try Gemini 3.5. Have you heard about Z already? It's like Cursor, but with like a connection of everything. You have like agent panel, literally the same thing. That's literally what Cursor does too. Okay, no, at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Isn't it supposed to be? Anyway, forget it. Whoa, bro, you guys are crazy with your jokes. Okay. A, E, O, U. Damn. Just one? Okay, ranch? No. Brain? No, there's no I. Brand? Okay. So I was right. The A is right over there. So there's no R, there's no B, there's no A and D. Ah, okay. So you can actually get the answer. That's crazy. No, I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna cheat. Whoever is playing below me, if you cheat, okay, I'm seeing that he's guessing. um, share. Sha. Sha. Shall? Okay, so there's L. Thanks for that. Okay. So L is here. S is here. Probably the S is at the end. Hmm. Okay, so could be L and then A and then S here, right? There's no and, so there's no way it's gonna be. mm, no, I'm not gonna cheat. I'm not gonna cheat, okay? Cheaters are for losers. Liars. There's no I. There's no R. What about I'm thinking of like M. No. Pretty sure A is L is here. That's for sure. But the second letter. Now you know what? Okay. C. Itulu? Uh, okay, there's no way it's C. It'd be W. Bro, this is that is crazy. The L is here. You know, let me just guess. There's no H, so there's no way it's. I was thinking of like Flash, but there's no H. There's no L either. I know there's L, but it's wrong. Sorry. The A is right. The F is not used, so okay. S is used, so it's here. Flame? No, there's no E. Flams? Flams? That a thing? Flans? Plans. Is there P? Plans. Oh no, there's already N. Ah. Plats. Like food. Food, right? Pla. Okay, so there's no T. There is P. There is P. What? Okay, so now. Wait, what? I can't play anymore? It's done? What happened? Did we run out of like. Is it over? Did you guys. Did you guys. We ran out of. What did you guys do? What the hell? I think we reached the limit. Hold on. That's crazy. There you go. Has exceeded the HTTP request limit. Yeah. Jesus. That's crazy. That means it works. That means we can literally just push this in Vercel and we're good. All right? That was actually really fun. I liked it. No, it's not DDoS. It's literally just no, we just exceeded the limit because there's so many. It's fine. It worked. That's what matters. It worked. I I can literally push this. Hold on. Let me set up a Vercel. I need to set up a Git. That's that thing. Hold on. GitHub. Create a new repository. Um, put this private guess word. Okay, and then we just need to copy this and then go back here and then create a new stuff and then create a new file, git ignore, and literally just add node modules. There's no env, so that's fine. Okay, then git init. And what else? Just literally set the remote. Okay, and then git add all, and then git commit dash m hello world, and then git push origin main. Did I miss something? Did I miss a flag? Yeah, the git push u origin main. What? Master, sorry. Okay. Yeah, we're going to add new things, don't worry. Now I just need to push it to Vercel. I guess we can just do it here. Connect with GitHub. It should be guess. Give me a sec. When is the Gemini 3.5 flash? We'll do it after. Give me a sec. Just sign in. Okay. And there you go. We have the project import. Deploy. The thing is, we have two stuff, right? We have the node server. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So what is the command that we need to run? Uh, just node server. We don't need environment variables. Should be okay. Okay, we are deploying, boys. Hold on, let me actually check your chat. Did I miss any? Is there any super chats? No super chats? We're done with super chats? I'm surprised my sugar daddy is not here. He usually spam me with like super chats. Sugar daddy. Nice. Okay, it's done. Here we go. There we go. Here's our game. You guys can go crazy. It's called guess word omega. Right over here. Now we just need to work on it. Because we want to add something. Okay, let me just play one more. Here's my code, HDYE. You gotta beat me. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Give me ideas, like what should we add? Like what kind of components we could add to this? Okay, thanks for joining. Enens. Shout out to Enens. Okay. The usual A, E, E, O, U. Okay, we got 2 letters. Not bad. What? Is it done? What happened? Cannot read properties of null. Player ID. Okay, so we're getting something. There's a problem. There are no errors, so I think we're fine. It's just this one. Also, I want to take a look at the because we're getting a bunch of stuff here. Oh. I don't think we can find here the word, right? The word is absent? Ah, okay, so we can see the word here. Interesting. No, I can't play anymore. Okay. Let me create another room. And then what I'm gonna do, I just want to see if there's gonna be a loophole, right? Can someone join? Okay, thank you. Thanks for that. City boy. Thanks for that. I just want to see first if there's any vulnerability somewhere. Looks like no, right? A E O U. Okay, there's a problem. Like I can't play anymore after. It doesn't work anymore. Okay, let me just copy that. Go back here. And then do we have Gemini 3. No, we don't have it here yet. Gemini. No, we don't have it yet. That means I need to update cursor, maybe. Maybe it's gonna be there. I don't know. But let me just fix that. And then we're going to improve the game itself. Hello, Henrique. Thanks for joining. Carl Johnson. Gemini 3.5 is released. Yes, I know. We're going to try it later. Yo, what are you making? What's the link? The link is posted and it's pinned. There you go. You can find it there. We're building like a Wordle, but online. It's like chess, one versus one, and you guys can play with each other. Okay. Hard refresh. I actually don't need this anymore. We can ditch this. I can literally just push everything. So git add all, git push, git commit, message, fix, and then git push. So lazy. There you go. And let's just wait for Versal to deploy that. Okay, should be deployed now. Okay. All right, so here's a new code. Let me know if you guys can join. From Jack Dude. What do you think of the new Gemini UI? I haven't seen it actually. Is it AI Studio? Google Studio? Did they change anything here? Hold on, actually I'm playing with someone. 6-7, Bendy! Thanks for joining. Alright, A, E, O, U. It's still the same. Oh, there you go. Okay, so we got A. I want to see if there's gonna be a loophole. Okay. I can see like someone's guess here. Oh, okay, so the word is here. Ah, okay. That's not good. Yeah. Everyone can literally see the word here. There is a loophole. Everyone can literally just open the developer console and they'll get this in the network tab. Yeah, exactly. The word is your name. That's crazy. That is crazy. I can see all the words here. Nice. Okay, so now the word is on the server side. That should make it more secure, right? Okay, so what changed? Secret word stays on the server, stored under secret room code, not in the room object client sync. Okay, room API responses are redacted. Nice. Clients can set the word. Okay. Guesses are scored on the server. Guess tampering is blocked. Direct put to guess keys can only change. Okay, so that makes it more secure. All right, let's push this. I don't even know why we need this. Um, git all git push. Now git commit m fix again. Git push. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's wait for the deployment. Yo, RS Commander, welcome, welcome. Good to see you. Thanks for joining. Okay. Let me try it again. Okay, create a room. Quickly how? Okay, guys, if you guys can join, that would be appreciated. Okay, so let me see if we can still see the words. I don't think so. Hey, Portis, welcome back. Thanks for joining once again. The normal UI on the Gemini website looks like ChatGPT. I'll take a look at that later after this. All right. So, dumbass. Thanks for that. Okay, let me take a look if we can find any loophole somewhere. Okay. Okay, so there's no loopholes. Okay. Guesses. Hints. Solved. Failed. False. Okay. Guesses. Okay, failed. Okay, I can't see anything. Okay, I can't see anything, so it should be okay. A E or U? Nothing? There's no vowels? That's crazy. Hold on. Let me just go through this and see if we can find any. Okay. Looks like it's secured now, so I think it should be okay. Okay, so we have a problem. Let me try again. Keyword T. Okay, so there's a problem. That's why. That's what I'm saying, dude. Am I missing something? Local only mode, no service, still keeps the word local. Okay, that makes so much sense. Okay, let me take a look at Gemini's. What are you guys talking about? Oh, they actually changed it. Hello. What model are you? It's still Gemini 3.1 Pro. Use Gemini 3.5 Flash on Google AI Studio. Okay, so that's where you can use it. Not here yet. Interesting. What are you talking about, bot coder? Been spamming that. List all words in JS in HTML. Is it in the It's right here? I mean, it's fine. Yeah, it's not fine. That means you can literally just spam it, right? Yeah. Okay, so the 404 happens because Vercel was only serving the API. The API room's code guess route from server.js was never deployed as a serverless function. The client calls that endpoint. Okay, so what you need to do is push and redeploy to Vercel. Commit includes the new API folder. Add Redis storage in Vercel. Okay, so we need to add that. Start a new room. Okay, let me do that. Git add all, git commit, fix my ass, and then git push. Okay, let's go to Vercel, shall we? Vercel, guess word. Where is it? Vercel Marketplace. Marketplace. I guess you're talking about like integration, right? Because yeah, this one. And then we need to look for Redis. Redis. AppStash. There's literally two of them. Which one? AppStash. This one. Without this, rooms can vanish between requests and you'll still see error. Okay. Let's install this. Washington. No, I am in France, so close should be Germany. Yeah. Choose the region. No. Enable to evict entries when max data size is reached. Installation plans just free. Continue. Resource name. Am I supposed to share this? I don't think so. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. Okay. Add chat in game. Your AppStash database is ready to use. Continue. Okay. So now we just need to add it to the project. Production. Okay. Custom prefix. I need to add a prefix to the room or the storage. Do I have to? I don't think so. Connect. Okay. Now what? After we deploy, should return 200 with hint. Okay. Do I still need to run this? Okay, so now I deployed it. Start a new room. Guess word. Create a new room. Weekly how? Okay, can someone join, please? Thank you. Yeah, we're going to add chat after. Do you have a girlfriend, Bernard? I am engaged. I am in a very loving relationship right now, so thank you very much. Okay. Where is the chat? Tick, 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 tick. No, no, no. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we're still getting there, are we? Yep. No, it works. But sometimes it doesn't. That's interesting. Hint. Absent, present, absent, present, present. Guesses, I, E, O, U. Hints. Absent. Okay. We're fine. How are you doing, Zed? You good? Let's do Lich. No. There's a problem with the yeah, it's still giving me the same error. That is ridiculous. Yeah. Hold on. Why are we still using this? Happened because Vercel only had the KV API deployed, which doesn't run Vercel by itself. That's fixed by adding a dedicated Vercel serverless route. Okay, that we did that. Plus shared logic, push and redeploy, which we did already. Okay, so let me just ask. I installed, what was it again? What do you call it? Upstash. Upstash for Redis on Vercel project, and it still doesn't work. Did you actually install? Yep, we have it here. But do I have to add environment variables? Because it appears that I need to do that. Also, we need to get rid of this. Yeah, the way this was implemented was ass. Let's go with agent, you know what? Yeah, it's gonna say room not found because someone already joined, so it's a hit or miss. Like you need to be on time. Right now I'm feeling sad. Because it's no longer working. It was working pretty good earlier. Okay, so we have a much better instruction here. The problem was a combination of things on Vercel. Split API functions ran as separate serverless functions. Okay. Redis env detection. The client could think Redis was connected when it wasn't, so storage silently fell. So now we need to redeploy. Okay, so git add all, git commit m fix yo mama, git push. There we go. So now that is pushed, let's just wait for Vercel to build the project. If you see storage memory, then Vercel project settings. Yeah, I knew it. We need to set this up. That is my project. I need to put environment variables parce que it's a server and we can't connect without the variables. Okay. Appstash Redis REST URL. Appstash Redis REST token. Huh? Okay, I'm gonna add a new copy, paste, and then where is the URL? How do I find it? Enter the code from your... Okay, Jesus. Wait, guys, let me cook. Thanks, Kim, for understanding. This is gonna take a while because I can't show it on my screen. It's a sensitive data, okay? Where is Vercel? I need the code. 900. Okay. All right, so which one? There's like a couple of stuff in here. Appstash REST URL. Okay, I'm guessing this one. And I need to put it here. Okay. Save. The name of your environment variable contains invalid characters, only letters. Okay. Okay, that's one. And then I need this one too. Give me a sec, guys. I am setting up my project. So Redis, what is that? REST token. There's like two here. I'm guessing it's this one. There we go. Save. Okay, and I just need to redeploy. Redeploy. Okay. Deployments, redeploy, enable them for production. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's just wait for the deployment. Huh? What are you talking about? Huh? The fuck? Why am I getting build failed? No entry point found, which imports express found possible entry point server.js. What the hell happened? Yes? My god, hold on. Let me cook. Okay. So development command build. It's not like it's building anything, so hold on. Hey, someone did something. Member for 2 months. Who is this? Has anyone tried out the new Grok build? Amazing PP. How was big game a group and a lot of people, one guy, one PC, one dream, and a lot of AI? I joined yours. Says the whole time room not found. Yeah, I don't have anything right now, so I'm still fixing the server. I'm not building anything, so maybe we can just say node. It's just a node. This... My god. Hold on. Node server.js. Okay. So now we just need to deploy it once again. Give me a sec. Give me a second. Okay. Redeploy. Redeploy. Bernard, do you like talking Ben? I remember that. Is that the dog? It's still not working. You know what? I'm just gonna ask. Hey, stop. Because I'm trying to change some settings here. I think I messed it up. Just gonna ask. Can I add you on Discord? You can join our Discord server, by the way. It should be in the description below, so you can join. And you guys can hang out in the server. Bluey36, hey! Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Hi, 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 everyone! Welcome to all of you guys who are staying, chilling with me. Thank you so much. Appreciate you, of course. Better Roos leaked. Hi, welcome. Quiz Fox, welcome, welcome, welcome. Kamikitsune736. Hello there. What are we making? We are making a Wordle game, but multiplayer. You know, 1 versus 1, like a chess, and it was really fun. And we're just now fixing it because I can't deploy it. Okay, so Vercel's new Express setup expects servers.js. So yes, just need to add all and git commit -m fix my booty and then git push. Okay, let's just wait for that. Okay, finally it's building. Yes, okay, here we go. Now we can just open this. There we go, finally. Redis. Yeah, let's go! Let's go! What next? All right, boys. Let's do this. Weekly how? Come on, join. Bring it on. I think you made a linking problem. What was the problem? Benny, I hit my foot against my radiator. It hurt. I'm so sorry. Okay, here we go. Thanks. You guys are getting very, very creative with your names. Stop that. You guys are gonna put me in trouble. Maybe I should not put names. Because Jesus Christ, you guys are really gonna put me in trouble. I can't scroll. I'm gonna leave you. You're an asshole. Remove the name. Just give random names. Like random. Because you guys are getting crazy with your names and I don't like it. And I don't appreciate it. Whoever did that, I hope you're okay. Because I feel like you are not okay. And I'm so sorry. Condolence. All I can say is be well. Yeah, I'm just gonna thanks Zug. I'm gonna remove the name because yeah. I'll do the same thing to my previous project. I feel like the chat needs moderations. Yeah. Weekly how my internet is 0.35 megabytes per second download. You must be somewhere in Asia, I'm guessing. And I'm so sorry. Everyone deserves like a really nice internet connection. Hey, Wacked! Wacked Shadow Roblox. I am Youth. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Appreciate you. You should check out the new... Oh, okay. You kept spamming that. I'm gonna check it out on my free time. I'm hungry. Thanks, Kim. Do you know that you are literally the top one? Kim, the epic gamer, you're literally the top one. So congratulations. Thanks for engaging with me. Appreciate you. Ortiz, bro, my Wi-Fi is so slow in 50 point whatever that number is. Ugh. Yeah, I used to have that back when I was in the Philippines. Can understand. Okay. So now we got like random names. Let's just push that. Oh, where's the dot? I hate I love you guys. Get push. There's someone spamming copy paste. Yeah. Looks like a bot. Make this website a progressive web app and add what? From NSJM, when will the video for the AI editor part 2 will be available to everyone? Oh, I am sad to say that that video is specifically made for just the members only. I am so sorry. I know some of you guys want to see that, but I wanted to, I want to give my members their very own content, something that they would, just enjoy themselves. And I want to advocate memberships more. I know many of you guys can't do that, and I understand, appreciate, even if you just watch my regular videos. I really do. But yeah, I'm getting more members now, and I wanna give them something that they deserve. Not just not just the projects, but also something to watch and more projects. I'm building projects that we can all enjoy together, and I'm thinking a lot of things that we can all enjoy. Anyway, it should be deployed now, so we should be good. So let me just reload this. This time, it should not ask for a name. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. What happened to the AI model you were building? I'm still training it. It's just taking a long time. Okay. Now my name is Happy Links, and you are Happy Hotter. So there you go. A E O U. Nice. Okay, so we've got. Let's do. Hmm. Let's do break. Break. Ooh. Okay. Nothing. Sheesh. Um. So if it's not here, then it's most likely either at the end or here. Or here. This is not gonna help me. Hmm. Um, there's no R. Okay, so there's no I either. Okay, hey sir. Hmm. Hey sir. There's no R. Hmm. Okay, okay. Is it cheating if someone said snake? There's K, so it's not gonna work. There's no, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Stop teaching me. Stop. I'm guessing. I'm guessing. Let me do it. Fa 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 the fade fade faded. That's a waste of letter. Um, fade faded. Fabed fad. I don't want to look at the chat. I don't want to look at the chat. I know you guys are saying something. Is it getting darker? It's getting darker. Hold on. Right. I'm not gonna look at the chat. Um, how is he doing? Okay, so he knows the two letters. Okay. Fades. Oh! Oh! Shit! Okay, so the A is not there. Don't tell me the A is right here. Uh, Law? No, there's E. Claude. Claude! Nah. Ah, la la la. No. Uh. Shh. I'm not gonna look at the chat. I'm not looking at the chat. How is the. He's thinking. Uh. Ga. Gay. Gay? Gay. Gayer? No. Okay, I need to think. I need to focus. I need to lock in because ma me literally the E is not even here. So it should be at the end or the beginning. You better not be at the beginning. L and then X A and then XX. What is that? Eta, Eba, Ega, Eval, Aval, la 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 la, Mama. Dane! Okay, so, wow. Congrats, man. How would I know that? How would I know that? Good work. Whoever that is, good work. Yeah, he got it. Ah, the E is at the end. I was thinking of that. Oh, was that you? Mina X? Congrats. Good job. Add chat in game. Like we can talk to each other? Is that what you're saying? No. No. You know what? The problem with that is, again, some of you gonna join my game and then you're gonna mess it up. You're gonna say words that don't need to be said. I hate streaming. This is why I don't stream, because there's like people like you. Ruins it for everybody. Okay, so this is a good advice. Move the opponent to the right so I can see it, right? Okay. Maybe I can just do it myself. It's literally this, right? Maybe it's already on the right. It's just I'm zoomed in. No? Okay, I can literally just do this. Hold on. Let me go back here. Hold on. I can do it here. I can do this and then literally it should be flex direction. It should be column rows like that. See? Simple. Should be like that. I should get rid of this. It's pointless. Let me do this. Actually, yeah, we need to fix this. Maybe you just looked it up here. Anyway, let me just scroll all the way down. And what's it again? Hold on. Game layout. Game layout, display flex, direction, should be a row. Okay, should be okay now. It's done. Where's the thing? I was looking for this. Where's that? Where is that? It's not even in here. Okay, that's weird. With pre-made messages. Actually, let's remove the words in the JS and put it in the server because the words can be found in the developer console or inspect elements window. Okay, my Wi-Fi is so slow. I downloaded 6 video. My brother is watching a movie and my dad too, bro. Okay. I am so sorry. Yeah, you guys are fighting. Fighting for internet. Chat with pre-made messages. Oh! You know, like, what game was that again? Made by Clash of Clans? Clash Royale? Right? Hoo hoo! Hoo! Hoo hoo! Okay, all answer words are in, not sent to the browser, thank you. Picks a secret word when a room is created and scores guesses via, okay. Removed words or pick word, evaluate guess and used word tracking. Rooms are created without a word. The server assigns it in Redis. Okay, local mode is blocked for create or play. Needs npm start or Vercel. Players should be okay. So app, git add all, git commit. Shrek is love. Shrek is life. Elite ball knowledge, if you know what I mean. I miss the Unity tutorial weekly. I used to make Unity tutorials. If you've seen my old videos, I am grateful. Thank you so much. If you're watching my old videos, thank you so much. If you're watching my shorts, thank you so much. That means a lot. Yes, like Clash Royale, Brawl Stars. Yeah, we can add it. And then I'll just record. Hold on. Audacity. Discard. Yes. We can do that. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Let's add a new chat. Let's implement. Composer 2.5 is actually doing really well. I haven't used any model other than Composer. It's doing well. You guys are gonna love me for using that a lot. Let's improve. Let's add something fun to the game. I want to add like a chat Is that even a chat or messaging to? No, that's more like a reaction, like a reaction buttons, like what Clash Royale has. You know, the hoo hoo. I don't even know how to describe it. How do you describe it? Clash Royale reactions? Emotes. There you go. Like what yeah, emotes. It's called emotes. So I want to create 5 emotes with audio, and I want the other player to hear the same emote. Okay, feedback messages. Okay, that's but I think emotes make sense, right? So there's like laughing or haha, haha, that wave file, and then there's to crying. Is that the right word? Crying. It's so bad. What else? What do you call this? Hold on. Let me just actually look it up. Um, okay. Wow. Wow. And the next one is good game. Good game, that wave. And the last one is your mom. Um, Bah! Yeah? That should be okay. Can you add? Okay, now we need to create those emotes. Okay, this one is good. Maybe we can just pitch it down. Where's the pitch? Change no, change pitch. Come on, change pitch. Let's go a little low. No, that's too much. That sounds like Freddy. Let's go A sharp. Nah. Nah, that's the normal is okay. Should I add other effects? Hold on. Let me cook. Hold on. Let's reduce the wet. I got too much. Too much. Too much. Okay, that's much better. I like that. Okay, now we just need to reduce that. Okay, reduce that. And now we just need to export it. Come on, export. What is it? Hoo hoo! Hoo hoo! And then the next one is I'm a voice actor, dude. I'm a professional. Oh, that's funny. I love it. Wow. Wow. That's a wow. Mm. Wow. Nah. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow. Nice, 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 nice. I cooked. I cooked. Wow. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Like that? Whoa. 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 That sounds fire. Whoa. I can see your chats, don't worry. Oh. Okay. That's fine. Let's not make it too detailed. Okay, next one is good game. Good game. Good game. Cringe. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Good game. Mm. Good game. Good game. Good game. Ah, ew. What the fuck? Good game. Good game. Okay, that's soft. I like that. Good game. Okay. Maybe I just need to compress it a little bit. Threshold. And then like and then just need to normalize it. You know what? Never mind. Game. Good game. That's fine. That's fine. Good game. That WAV. Okay. And that should be good because I have fa already somewhere. Okay. So where do I put the stuff? Okay. Sync use to once the WAV files are in public emotes. Okay, I need to put it here. Reveal. Download. Here we go. Paste it there. All right, so I have now everything. I just need the fa. Where's the fa? Fa. Fa. Okay, I got you. Fa? But that's MP3. Hold on. I need Audacity. One sec. The Audacity. I just put it here and then maybe reduce it because that's too loud. Okay, that's fine. Now export fa.wav. Okay, now we can close that. Thanks for waiting. Let's Just put it here. Delete you. Okay. So I got the fa, all of it. Now we just need to push. Git add all. Git commit m. And then git push. There we go. Sorry, I stopped looking at the chat. Did I miss something? Hold on. Sounds are the best idea. Yeah, this was a good idea. I look forward to see it or to hear it. Add a lobby. That's actually a good idea to see how many are online. Actually, why don't you generate your sounds with AI? Ugh, come on. I could. But we can be all creative, right? Like something like you lose, try again, and train more. Add an XP bar. I don't know about that. We could always do it later. Add a leaderboard system and potentially 4-player matchmaking. That could be a good idea. NSJM, good night to you all. Thank you so much for joining. NSJM, goodbye. I hope you had a good time. IR Regaming, W live stream. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Bros cooking medium rare meat. I'll take that as a compliment. Thank you. Make it sound like a V-Lane. I think we're done with the sound effects. Thanks. Just got here from Carrot Coffee. What are we making today? We are making something good. This is exactly why I want to see you play that My Voice Zoo game. Maybe someday we'll do that. LOL. Whoa. Why need phobia on Discord? Phone. Funny sound. Now weekly how should be a voice acting job. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Good game. Game. I'd like winners, losers. Okay. I love it when my ideas actually get implemented. You're welcome. Add triple fab. IRE gaming. Bye guys. It's already 10. Goodbye. Hope you get a good time. I will end my stream soon too, by the way. How long have I been streaming? Anyway, let's take a look at what we did. We just reload this. All right. Join. Let's see if we still have the words. Yeah, the words are no longer here, so that's good. That's just for the name. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, I can see everything here. All right. Did you hear that? Do you hear that? I hope so. Who am I playing with? Silent Fox. Whoa! Good game. This is so good. Can you also do the same? I can see the emote here. Ah, that's so cool. That is really cool. I like that. That is fun. A, E, O, U. Oh. Can you hear it as well? Seriously? I can't hear what you're doing though. That's the thing. That is funny. This is so cool. This is the best project I ever did. Seriously. Anyway, let's try this. Brick. Bro, I cooked. Okay. Ick. Trick? No. R is there, so there's no R. What could be? Slick. Is that a thing? I don't think that's a word. It's thick. It's thick. Jesus. Ah! You gotta be kidding me. Is wait? There we go. I got it. Silent Films didn't even try. Come on. Hoo hoo! Hoo hoo! Alright, I think this is gonna be it for this one. Ah, that was you! You're Silent Fox. Your messages are getting flagged and removed from my view if it didn't view the YouTube chat on your screen. Really? But do you hear what I'm doing? What happened? Oh, yeah, I hear you. You did something, I heard it. Band Lab. I don't know what that is. That's cool then. Yeah. Oh yeah, I promised. I promised something earlier. Oh no, I did already. Like the Gemini, right? I did already. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end the stream because I have work tomorrow. I had a good time. That was fun. I really enjoyed this. Out of everything that we did, this is the best. I really enjoyed this. I built a cheat client extension for Chrome that wins every time. Good for you. Everyone from any server can hear when other people do it in different servers? That's interesting. Hold on, how did you change the name? What the fuck? Yeah, you guys are creative. I guess you just did it in the network, right? You send it. You made a post request. Anyway, yeah. I'm gonna end this stream. Yeah, you probably did it in the browser, like you made a post request. And I'm gonna have to destroy this project because if you guys want to get this project that we did in this server, you can always download it. I'll upload it in the weeklyhow.polydar.com, the members. So yeah. It's gonna be a good project for everyone if you guys want to use it. Alright guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me. This was really fun. And to those of you who literally like the video or like the stream, to those of you who sent like super chats, thank you so much. To those of you who just started becoming, who just subscribed and became a member. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I really, really appreciate your support to the channel, and I can't thank you guys enough. And I'll do everything to give you more content, give you more projects that you guys can enjoy and you guys can work on. It's gonna be every week. So yeah, I want to say next week, and then next week, I'm gonna have a very, very nice project, that a very nice video that you guys would definitely enjoy. So stay tuned for that. Okay. I think I think someone already said something on the members only. No, I'm referring to my moderator. He noticed something. So yeah. And yeah, if you guys haven't joined the Discord server, you can always check the description below, and you can hang out here. Okay. Update the video title, please. Okay, I will do that once the live stream is over. It's over anyway, so there's no point. Read the chat first. Shout me out, please, off second. Thank you. Shout out to Kim, the epic gamer. You were the top one earlier. Who beat you? Nocturne 94 beat you. Okay, so here are the people actually engaged today. So shout out to all of you guys who stayed and who, made this live stream really, really fun. Thank you so much. Hold on. Put you there. Okay. Where's my... All right. Thank you so much for joining. I'll catch you next time. I will live stream once again next month. It's gonna be a monthly thing, so stay tuned for the next one. Anyway, I'm tired. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you at next one. What was the other game you had first? I'll post it next week because I'm making a video about that. So yeah, you'll see it next week. What happened to the level 3 membership? What do you mean? There's only 2 levels. And weekly, why? I didn't share my song. Come on, man. What do you want me to say? I'm not here to promote your song. What are you doing? Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Goodbye! Take care. Have a good night. Eat well. Drink water. So you're now monthly how? No. I'm still weekly how because I post weekly videos. I just live stream monthly. Okay. Goodbye. I'm ending. Bye bye. 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 Yo, no way. I thought I canceled it already. Ah, god damn it. Already. Thanks for letting me know. Okay, I'm